Chicago draws millions of visitors each year, and fortunately, there are numerous landmarks to explore, such as Millennium Park. It's not surprising that local authorities want their city to shine. They've partnered with Ameresco to install over 200,000 new smart streetlights. The Chicago Smart Lighting Program is successfully enhancing Chicago neighborhoods with modern, energy-efficient lighting, managed by a state-of-the-art system that notifies when lights need servicing. This initiative exemplifies Chicago's commitment to a 21st-century urban environment. LED technology and smart lighting controls are transforming street lighting, promoting safety, and reducing energy costs, a significant factor in a city's energy consumption. The Department of Energy estimates that widespread LED use in the US by 2027 could save over $30 billion in energy costs. Converting traditional streetlights to LEDs offers substantial benefits, such as energy savings up to 60 to 70%, reduced consumption, brighter and more uniform light distribution, and enhanced community safety. Adding smart lighting controls further reduces maintenance costs by up to 80%, improves reliability, and decreases 311 calls through real-time outage detection. Next is the Alumin Intelligent Pedestrian System. It utilizes detective systems to monitor pedestrian behavior during crossings, activating the system's features. Flashing signs and road studs signal drivers to slow down and yield, while a voice alert module cautions pedestrians to cross carefully. This advanced system ensures effective communication between drivers and pedestrians. In non-light control areas, the urban-type intelligent system comprehensively monitors pedestrians at or approaching crosswalks, activating a pre-warning system. The system employs 3 activation modes: visible day and night design, and 360-degree dynamic early warnings through flashing signs, road studs, and voice alarms. For different road conditions, it offers variations like urban and forked road types. It can connect to the Alumin cloud for improved traffic problem resolution and order management. The dual aspect pre-warning system uses LED lamps and boards to signal drivers and pedestrians respectively, with a daytime visible light design for effective warnings. It boasts quick installation, minimal road damage, and a split structure for low maintenance, making it a comprehensive solution for pedestrian safety. Over 113 million Europeans experience daily road noise, and studies show that constant noise exceeding 40 decibels negatively affects health. SoundStop Silent View is an advanced noise-absorbing solution made up of an aluminum frame and a 30-degree angled, transparent acrylite SoundStop sheet. Its unique design redirects incoming noise upward to the horizontal noise-absorbing section. Perfect for highways, high-speed railways, and other noise barrier installations, it is transparent, absorptive, and can be integrated with traditional noise barriers. This system is easily retrofitted into existing structures without extra construction costs. Acrylite SoundStop is an ideal replacement for old, unsightly, or defective elements, allowing for the reuse of existing infrastructure components like posts in various dimensions. Compatible with different acrylite noise barrier panels, this system offers versatility and efficiency. At the Tracks 22 event, dedicated to road technology and safety, visitors had the opportunity to observe intriguing delineators made of Reflexol, a flexible polymer that allows easy bending. Introducing the Neapolitan Delineator Post, a top-notch safety solution tested at 100 km per hour for optimal crash protection. This post excels in rebound performance and reflectivity, enhancing visibility during day and night with various retro-reflective banding choices. With a compliant 600mm banding, it meets TSRGD standards for highway applications. Versatile installation options include surface mounting or using the lockfast mini socket and quick-release socket adapter for a removable solution, facilitating easy access or replacement, ideal for directing traffic in roadworks, contraflow systems, and past obstacles, as well as segregating pedestrian and cycle lanes. This post also marks carriageway boundaries while allowing emergency vehicle access. Founded in by Karl-Heinz Schwamborn, MAAC, known for its rollers, brings an interesting upgrade. The Shellkit revolutionized compaction technology with the development of a double vibratory roller that featured an all-drum drive. One of their notable products is the BW120, a light tandem roller weighing 2,004 hounded 48 kilograms with a working width of 1.19 meters. This model excels in soil compaction, asphalt patching, footpaths and repair work, as well as finishing road construction projects. A standout accessory is the Shellkit that transforms smooth drum self-propelled vibratory rollers into soil compactors. Constructed using durable materials and advanced welding techniques, it includes 2 or 3 segments of shells, a scraper bar, mounting kit, and optional smooth scrapers. The tungsten coating, hard facing, and QT 450 grade wear caps enhance the kit's durability and provide extra protection. Additionally, the smooth scrapers offer a seamless transition from pad foot to smooth drum configurations, eliminating the need for complete scraper bar assembly changes. Perfix L273 is a professional asphalt repair solution that mimics hot lay asphalt, seamlessly integrating with the existing surface and meeting all highway standards. Applied by trowel, this product chemically cures within 30 minutes, eliminating the risk of rutting once set and requiring no compaction. Meon, known for expertise in surfacing, follows strict international standards and employs its performance assurance system to ensure quality throughout the business process. It's ideal for small defect repairs like potholes and ironwork surrounds, offering a permanent solution without the need for hotbox services. It comes in 3mm or 6mm grades, providing a professional finish that meets highway requirements. With no compaction needed, it avoids disturbing freshly laid mortar around ironworks. This solution eliminates repeat defects, enhances safety and sustainability by avoiding hot works, and is easy to work with, reducing fatigue and requiring no large equipment for efficient small repairs. In just 30 minutes, it can be used in various locations. For instance, a review highlights its successful use in fixing a busy city intersection where drivers travel at approximately 64 kilometers per hour. In today's fast-paced world, rapid growth is crucial, prompting individuals to act quickly, especially when driving on expressways. Unfortunately, this often leads to speeding, disregarding safety, and putting lives at risk. Damaged guardrails along highways are a common sight, highlighting the need for better safety measures. Traditional guardrails made of steel lack the ability to ensure driver safety or save lives. Soft guardrails, on the other hand, protect drivers from the impact of crashes, potentially saving lives. They claim to view road facilities as essential products that allow drivers to travel worry-free and safeguard them from potential accidents, ensuring their happiness and that of their families. Roller System is designed to convert shock energy into rotational energy, preventing secondary collisions and lane departures. The product's excellent flexibility and elasticity maximize deceleration, adapting to various forms to protect different road facilities, including bridges and traffic signal posts. Key features include its narrower width compared to typical medial strips, independent and individually repairable props to reduce maintenance costs, spaced props for increased bearing power to prevent cars from leaving the roadway, and high-intensity reflective sheeting for enhanced visibility day and night. What do Sweden, Italy, Israel, and Germany have in common? All of these countries are testing smart roads from the company Electreon, a wireless charging technology for electric vehicles. The system, safely installed under the road, allows EVs equipped with a special authorized receiver to charge seamlessly while driving, idling, or parked. In a 1.6 kilometers pilot project, a public road was retrofitted to become an ERS on a 4.1 kilometers route from Visby town to Gotland Islands Airport. The electric bus serves as a shuttle, and an electric truck is being tested for potential highway projects. Electreon offers cost-effective end-to-end charging infrastructure and services to fleet operators. It addresses the barriers to fleet electrification by providing accessible financing options, including charging as a service, covering upfront costs and operations. This helps reduce the total cost of fleet ownership by up to 50%. Fleet operators can adopt a charging as a service model, paying a monthly subscription covering infrastructure, operation, maintenance, and advanced smart charging software services. During tests, the Electreon team achieved a notable feat by driving a Toyota RAV4 hybrid on an oval track for over 100 hours. Ultimately, the vehicle covered a distance of approximately 1,924 kilometers, solely relying on electric power. As is widely known, China faces significant challenges related to dust and smog. To face this problem, Nebufly specializes in misting and fogging systems, offering high-quality products like high-pressure misting systems, misting fittings, ultrasonic humidifiers, and mist makers. These versatile solutions find applications in industrial dust suppression, commercial landscape design, outdoor cooling, agriculture humidification, and more. In urban areas, the increasing use of road spray dust removal systems reflects the fast-paced lifestyle changes. These systems play a vital role in maintaining road cleanliness by spraying water mist to bind with and reduce dust. The benefits of road spray dust removal include dust reduction, minimizing particulate matter, enhancing air quality, ensuring driving safety, and lowering maintenance costs. The operational principle involves directing water through a hydraulic pipe to a filter that removes impurities. The purified water is then pressurized in a hydraulic device and sprayed as high-pressure mist through nozzles. For optimal effectiveness, the nozzles are recommended to be at least 2 meters above the ground, allowing fine mist particles to evaporate in the air over an extended period and preventing water droplets from hitting obstacles. Zebra family products prioritize street safety and enhance bike lane usability. They facilitate quick street transformations, enabling the creation of cycle lanes, expanded sidewalks, and narrowed roads at intersections. The unique oblique design of Zebra increases the separation between road traffic and cyclists, providing a stronger barrier against motor vehicles. When space is limited, the parallel configuration is the ideal choice. In pedestrian areas where cyclists need to share space, the zebra planter defines bike paths without hindering pedestrians. The ellipsoid shape with smooth edges ensures safety, and the slip-resistant surface adds to its reliability. Available in various sizes, they adapt to diverse road conditions. Their structurally sound design ensures high impact resistance, and displaced anchor housings enhance attachment to the road. All products are crafted from recycled materials, such as industrial and post-consumer plastic waste, including PVC from banners, hoses, and electrical cables, as well as post-consumer plastic waste from packaging sorting plants and manufacturing processes. The Scorpion team is working to enhance road safety. They've installed the system on trucks, similar to those used by utility service providers, to greatly minimize accident-related damage. With a compact 2.44 meters in length and less than 3.4 meters vertical storage height, it's perfect for city use. This design features curved aluminum tube frames and energy-absorbing modules, providing full-width impact protection by redirecting vehicles away from dangerous areas. After 17 years and 2,000 impacts globally, the Scorpion stands as the safest and most reliable TMA. Its open cartridge design enhances fuel efficiency and reduces wind resistance during deployment and highway travel. The modular design crushes progressively, minimizing impact forces on occupants and lowering repair costs. Equipped with Omnivolt LED lights for advanced warnings and eligible, with the world's first TL3 certification at 100 km per hour. Remarkably, it accommodates host trucks from over 6,000 kilograms with no upper weight limit, offering the broadest range in the market. At Asafe, they prioritize top-notch quality in all aspects of safety product development. Their manufacturing involves custom machines aligning molecules to create unique grid structure, giving the material a built-in memory to bounce back after impact. Asafe's patented coupling technology is a standout feature, strengthening barriers by sequentially reducing and dispersing impact energy. This innovative system prevents damage to floors or fixings and facilitates easy replacement of individual barrier rails without dismantling the entire setup, saving time. As the digital era transforms workplaces, Asafe embraces intelligent safety technology. With cloud-based impact detection solutions like Acly, those allows customers to monitor infrastructure, proactively addressing accident risks before they escalate. These barriers can handle a 5-ton vehicle impact at 10 km per hour. Unlike steel barriers that may get damaged upon impact, Asafe barriers resist damage, thanks to their unique material. This material not only has a memory effect, but can also endure freezing temperatures as low as -30 degrees Celsius without any issues. We are mindful of other road users, and on your screen, you can see a glimpse of the future in protected bikeways. The approach, embraced by Denmark, where 90% of the population owns a bicycle, and the Netherlands, with more bicycles than people, proposes a new barrier design. This test version, which impressed cyclists at the National Bike Summit, is simple to install and offers a more visually appealing alternative to standard flex posts. Many bike planners and advocates struggle with limited options, like flex posts and traffic cones, which can make bike lanes feel unsafe and unappealing. Unlike traditional barriers that create a harsh divide, the flowing wave pattern conveys motion and calmness, enhancing visibility for drivers and cyclists alike. Finding the right materials was challenging, requiring extensive testing for durability, stability, and environmental performance. After rigorous testing and refinement, the company developed a product that met high standards. It garnered public support for protected bike lanes, facilitated temporary lanes at events, and helped families access local markets safely. This thermoplastic structure is designed to be deployed at a size of 96 inches in length, 5.5 inches in width, and 27.5 inches in height. When collapsed, it reduces to 117.7 inches in length, 5.5 inches in width, and just 1.2 inches in height, allowing for compact storage and transportation. With a weight of 13.5 pounds, it offers lightweight portability without sacrificing durability. For shipping convenience, these units are palletized at a rate of 50 per pallet, measuring 120 inches by 40 inches. Clear snowy roads and sidewalks efficiently with Warmly Yours. These systems melt both snow and ice, simplifying winter maintenance by integrating heating elements into outdoor surfaces, and can continue running after snowfall to evaporate residual water. Beyond the convenience they offer, these systems prioritize safety for you and your loved ones. Despite their invaluable peace of mind, snow melting systems are surprisingly affordable. With these solutions, you can stay warm indoors while the system handles the hard work. This company provides two types of snow melting systems: mats and cables. The mats deliver 50 watts of heat per square foot, ensuring quick and easy installation. Alternatively, the cable system offers flexibility, generating 12 watts per linear foot. Once you've chosen the heating system, select a control option, including basic manual controls and premium hands-off operation. They even offer a cost-effective Wi-Fi control for remote operation and real-time weather event activation. The price per square meter varies between $99 and $111. Now let's talk about a groundbreaking solution revolutionizing road environments and promoting sustainability. With features like fine dust reduction, heat island mitigation, and winter snow removal, Blackstone offers a comprehensive solution for year-round road maintenance. Key highlights include the utilization of proprietary IoT-based, low-power road water spray technology, adaptability to various road environments, compliance with fine dust reduction standards, and a solar-powered, low-energy system. The system boasts quick and cost-effective installation, portability for relocation, and a smart IoT clean cooling system. It also features a remote environmental measurement station that monitors various parameters like fine dust levels, temperature, humidity, sulfur oxides, nitrogen oxides, and road surface noise. This information is sent to a central server and can be remotely controlled through a smartphone app, all powered by solar energy. For more, it automatically spray water based on measured fine dust or temperature humidity indices, offering a solar-powered solution with water spray valve control and data communication. This innovation has transformed the way Roadquake temporary portable rumble strips are deployed, realigned, and retrieved, ensuring safety for workers by keeping them away from live traffic. It has expanded the Raptor rover's compatibility, eliminating the need for a 1360 kg front-end capacity truck. Now, a pickup truck can efficiently transport the Raptor, attaching it to the back of the vehicle rather than the front. Key features of the Raptor rover include a single axle capacity of approximately 3,175 kilograms, towing weight of about 2,247 kilograms, and a tongue weight of around 362 kilograms. The onboard battery bank can be charged via a solar panel or trailer plug, and an optional arrow board is available for added functionality. The Megaflow subsoil drainage systems outperforms slotted pipe drainage in terms of effectiveness and efficiency. It has proven its superior features in various applications, including roads, sports fields, landfills, mining, and structures. The system, whether installed vertically or horizontally, offers a cost-effective drainage solution. Geotas is dedicated to addressing drainage issues, often arising from poor design, incorrect product selection, or installation procedures. It provides access to a wide range of high-quality drainage products from local and international suppliers, catering to diverse applications such as roadside drainage. Key features of Megaflow include its Australian manufacturing, using 100% locally sourced recycled polymer, narrow width profile for easy installation, vertical axis stiffness, equipment for safe and rapid installation, local stocking, extensive successful installations, high crush strength, unmatched drainage response time, and suitability. GeoSheet and Core Drain are lightweight drainage sheets suitable for vertical drainage behind retaining walls, bridge abutments, or basement walls. They offer a cost-effective alternative to traditional heavy drainage gravels, particularly on steep building sites, addressing logistical challenges for installers. Next is MAAC Green, an economical non-woven paving fabric made from continuous polyester fiber, widely employed in road maintenance and rehabilitation. It effectively addresses issues such as waterproofing, stress mitigation, and reflective cracking in pavements, ultimately extending the lifespan of road surfaces. When integrated into new spray seals and asphalt overlays, MAAC Green acts as a barrier, preventing moisture from seeping into the underlying road layers through surface cracks. Impregnated with bitumen, it creates a protective interlayer that keeps surface water and oxygen at bay, ensuring the pavement's strength and longevity. The fabric is particularly beneficial in combating stress cracking caused by reactive subgrades, vertical movement, and bending from deflection and thermal changes. Key features include preventing premature pavement failure, application over new or existing surfaces, reinforcing and waterproofing existing thin asphalt pavements, and offering higher temperature resistance compared to standard polypropylene. It has been extensively tested for bitumen retention and aggregates compatibility, proving its durability over the years. For more, it is a recommended choice by state road authorities for its proven performance in increasing pavement life and cost benefits over total rehabilitation. For road safety on high-speed highways, using traffic cones during installation isn't the best choice. Marway offers a safer solution, ensuring worker safety and expediting the process. It is an automated system designed for effortless placement and retrieval of traffic cones on roads and highways. Installed at the rear of a moving utility van, it operates at speeds up to 30 km per hour for cone placement and 25 km per hour for pickup. The system is ready for use within seconds, ensuring the operator's safety within the van and eliminating risks of falling or being struck by vehicles. With over 50,000 cycles completed since its launch in early 2017, Marway significantly reduces musculoskeletal disorders. The AHMCT Centers machine, compatible with existing Caltrans traffic cone trucks, and automates cone placement and retrieval without the need for on-site setup. Operating at speeds up to 10 meters per hour, it ensures a safe and swift process controlled from the truck cab. This innovation improves efficiency, reduces manual labor, and enhances overall workplace safety, countering the escalating costs associated with manual cone laying.